gathering of leaders and innovators during Karnataka's growth and India's global success. I congratulate Sri Priyank Kharge and his team for hosting this annual event. The launch of Catalyst will make Karnataka one of India's most business-friendly states. Karnataka is known for its rich culture and its leadership in technology. From the Mysore Kings to the first IT policy in 1997 and the Global Capability Central Policy in 2024, we have always planned for the future. Our state sets a global standard for innovation, talent, and business-friendly policies. Karnataka is India's largest software exporting state, contributing 44% of the nation's software exports. The IT and ITES sector accounts for 26% of our state's economy. We host over 875 global capability centers, which is 30% of India's total. Our goal is to add 500 more GCCs by 2029, creating 350,000 jobs and $50 billion in economic output. We are also building tech clusters beyond Bengaluru to ensure growth across the state. Karnataka is home to over 18,300 startups and more than 45 unicorns. This proves we are the best place for entrepreneurs to start and grow big. In artificial intelligence, Bengaluru ranks 5th among the world's top all cities. It holds nearly 50% of India's artificial intelligence talent, making it the second largest artificial intelligence talent hub globally. Our Center of Excellence in Artificial Intelligence with IIT supports startups from professionals and advances artificial intelligence research. Our new IT policy will focus on equipping our talent and infrastructure for artificial intelligence. In quantum technology, Karnataka launched India's first state-level quantum technology roadmap. We aim to make Karnataka Asia's top quantum innovation hub by 2035. With a $20 billion United quantum economy, we are planning quantum hardware parks, innovation zones, and a global quantum conclave in Bengaluru. And we are going further. Karnataka is now moving into an era of specialized innovation hubs that will redefine how industries, research, and communities interact. We are building Twin City, an integrated ecosystem for wellness, innovation, and new age industries. This will be a magnet for global scientists, entrepreneurs, and investors, offering dedicated R&D clusters and wellness infrastructure that makes it a destination to live, work, and innovate. Alongside this, we are developing Health City, a world-class healthcare and life sciences hub. It will bring together medical research, biotech innovation, med tech, manufacturing, and super specialty hospitals to serve both India and the world. LCT will also strengthen our position as a global leader in medical tourism. These are not standalone projects. They are part of network of thematic clusters we are building across Karnataka. From agriculture, tech, innovation, corridors to electric mobility zones and green energy parks, we are ensuring that every sector of the future fund finds a home here. Our vision is simple, which is to make Karnataka the place where the world comes to solve its biggest challenges, whether it is curing diseases, developing sustainable energy solutions, or building computers of the future. We will provide the talent, infrastructure, and policies of support to make it happen. I look forward to your ideas and presence at the conclave to make Karnataka global leader in quantum technology. I invite you, all of you, industry leaders, innovators, and visionaries to work with us. Let us write the next chapter of Karnataka's growth story and ensure Karnataka leads the world. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.